Hello everybody, my name is Allison Lamanti and I'd like to welcome you to my 5th book critique. In this book critique, we will go over 5 different books. They will all be in the genre poetry or realistic fiction. The first book we have is There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly. Author and illustrated by Sims Tabak. Genre poetry. Award Caldecott Medal. This book is for reading levels kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade. The second book we have is If I Ran a Zoo. Author and illustrated by Dr. Seuss. Genre poetry. Award Caldecott Medal. This book is for reading levels kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade. The third book we have is Brown Girl Dreaming. Author Jacqueline Woodson. Genre poetry. Award Newbery Medal. Reading level 5th grade. The fourth book we have is Joey Pigza Loses Control. Author Jack Gantos. Illustrated by Melissa Sweet. Genre realistic fiction. Award Newbery Medal. This book is for reading levels 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. The last book we have is Song and Dance Man. Author Karen Ackerman. Illustrated by Stephen Gamel. Genre realistic fiction. Award Caldecott Medal. This book is for reading levels kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade. In this video, we will have one featured text. This featured text will be accompanied by 2 different lessons to go along with it. This featured text is If I Ran the Zoo. If I Ran the Zoo is a story about a young man named Gerald McGrew and his dream of running a zoo. But in his zoo, it would be a little different. He would let all the animals run wild, and he would want to find some new exotic animals to put in it. The first lesson we have is a 2nd grade writing lesson. Have your students create their own narrative. Have them detail what they would do if they ran the zoo. Have the students go into different types of animals they would have at the zoo. Students may also draw an image of the animal in their zoo at the end of the page. Students must include 3-paragraph story with proper punctuation and spelling. Tell what you would do if you ran the zoo. Give at least 2 specific ideas with details, given a detail on why you would run the zoo the way you are. Describe at least 2 new exotic animals you would have. Include their names, where they are found, and unique details regarding them. Students will read their stories to the 1st grade when they are completed, and they will be displayed outside of the classroom for the rest of the school to see. The second lesson we have is a 2nd grade science lesson. Students will be learning about the different regions animals live in, such as Africa, Asia, Middle East, Europe, and Northern America. Students will learn why certain animals need to live in particular regions due to temperature, dietary needs, and if they live on land or water. Students must create a Pinterest board and label it with their zoo's name. Find at least 10 animals for different regions to have in your zoo. Find at least 1 image of every animal. When selecting an animal, write down the name and location of the animal. And then you will invite the other classmates to your board. Here is an example of a Pinterest board I created for my students. Here you see the title of my zoo's name. I have 10 different images here, all of different animals. At the top, by your name, you will see this plus sign. This is where you invite students to your page. So the classroom will invite the whole class to their page by typing in their names right here. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my video. All information was retrieved from the links below.